Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Today we will present about ocean wave power generation. So, what is the wave energy? Kita start, Zahir.
Alright.
What is the wave energy? So, wave energy, also known as ocean energy or sea wave energy, is energy harnessed from the ocean or sea wave. Wave energy or wave power is actually power drawn from waves. When the wind blows across the sea surface, it transfers the energy to the wave. And it transfers the energy to the wave. They are powerful source of energy. The energy output is measured by wave speed, wave height, and wavelength and wave density. The more strong the wave, the more capable is to produce power. The captured energy can then be used for electricity generation, power plants, or pumping of water. How is wave energy converted into electricity? It has three ways. First way is oscillating water column, or OWC. This functioning of oscillating water columns is somewhat similar to the wind turbine. Being based on the principle of wave induct air pressure, oscillating wave column is partially submerged in closed structure. The upper part of structure above the water is filled with air, and incoming waves are funneled into the bottom part of structure. When this wave comes through the structure, it causes the water column to rise and fall with the wave. This causes the air in top structure to pressurize and depressurize. So the piston push and pull air through a connected air turbine at the top of structure, converting the energy. So for the second way is overtopping device. For the overtopping device has a wave lift over a barrier which fill a reservoir with the water and is then drained through a hydro turbine. This technology is very similar to a conventional hydropower dam. Inverted pendulum device uses the motion of the waves to move the height, pedal back and forth. The motion of the pedal drives hydraulic pump which drives electrical generator. So for the third way is wave absorbing device. This separate to three way is for the absorber, terminator and attenuator. Absorber extract energy from the rise and fall of the wave with a buoy. Once the energy is extracted, it then converted to electrical energy with a linear or rotary generator. Terminator consists of flaps that rotate with the wave orbital motion around and exist parallel to the waveform. Attenuator captures energy by being placed perpendicular to the length of the wave. This causes the attenuator to continuously flex where segments are connected. This connection is then connected to hydraulic pump which convert the energy. So we go to main component and its function. Yeah. So you can see this absorber. This component for wave absorbing device. You can see that the picture at the top is flat, and in the middle is bar, and the bottom is fifth plate. It also has the substation, cable. So for the absorber, they can floating structure that sails up and down on the surface of the water or submerged below the surface, relying on pressure differential. It then converts a wave energy to electrical energy at the substation. So this is the second main component. Wave turbine. So wave turbine is in a oscillating water column. So a wave turbine to create suction or alternatively pressure generating valve. The wave turbine is constructed as that is rotate always in the same direction regardless of airflow direction. So for the pros and cons, Amir, you can start.
Okay, I continue with what are the benefit and advantage of wave energy. First is renewable. The best thing about wave energy is that it will never run out. As long as there are oceans and winds, there will always be wave and the energy they produce. Okay, second, environment friendly. Unlike fossil fuels, creating power from wave creates no harmful byproducts such as gas, waste and pollution. The energy from waves can be taken directly into electricity producing machinery and used to power generators and power plants nearby. Okay, third, abundant and widely available. Another benefit of using this energy is its nearness to place that can use it. Lots of big cities are next to the ocean and can harness the power of the wave for their use. Okay, fourth, easily predictable. The biggest advantage of wave power as against most of the other alternative energy source is that it's easily predictable and can be used to calculate the amount that it can produce. Fifth, the last one, less dependency on foreign oil costs. Dependence of foreign companies for fossil fuels can be reduced if energy from wave power can be extracted up to its maximum. Not only will it help to control air pollution, but it also can provide green jobs to millions of people. Okay, next we go to the disadvantage, challenge and issue of wave energy. For the first one is high cost. Although wave energy is good on almost sight, one of its partial side effect is the enormous cost of production. Energy production from the waves requires a harsh setup. Also, the lifespan is short. And then the cost of repairing as well as acquiring such machinery is immense. Not just that, to set up a power mill to harness its energy will mean acquiring immense cost. The second one is suitable to certain location only. The biggest disadvantage to getting energy from the wave is location. Only power plants and towns near the ocean will benefit directly from it. Because of it, wave energy is not a viable power source for everyone. The third one is effect on marine ecosystem. As clean as wave energy, it still creates hazard for some of creatures near it. Large machines have to put near and on the water to gather energy from the wave. This machine disturb the sea floor, change the habitat of near shore creatures such as crab or starfish. Also disturb and create noise at the sea life on ocean. Okay, the fourth, lack of technology. Salt water is corrosive and powerful storms can damage machinery, so it's challenging to design buoys that can withstand the element, unlike solar panels or wind turbines on roofs and hills. Okay, also that this is more challenging to install and repair, requiring boats and crews. Okay, that's all from me.
Alright, for the example of actual installation, the first location is at Portugal, which is Pelamis with energy converter on site at the European Marine Energy Centre (EMEC). Alright, description about this place is this converter is the farm was designed to use three filaments with energy converter to convert the motion of the ocean surface wave into electricity, totaling to 2.25 megawatt in total installed capacity. And then the farm first generated electricity in July 2008 and was officially opened on September 23, 2008 by the Portuguese Minister of Economy. And then the wave farm was shut down 2 months after the official opening in November 2008 as a result of the financial collapse of Babcock and Brown due to the global economic crisis. Alright. For the second location, the place is harnessing the power of wave energy with star prototype of Dan WEC, which is Danish North Sea Coast near Halmstad at Denmark. At Denmark, while sailing near their parents' home in 2000, Niels and Kiel Hansen suddenly become aware of the immense power surging beneath them. So in Denmark, the creator is named Niels and Kiel Hansen. And then it was then that they began to develop the concept of harnessing the power of the wave and converting it into energy. Despite the fact that waves rise and fall periodically, the machine is able to produce energy continuously due to the number of buoys rising and falling with the water. And then file standard, which is related to idea planning, operation, design, development of the projecting of our topic, which is wave ocean wave power generation. The first is ISO 21851 2020, which is about marine technology, ocean observation system, design criteria of ocean hydromagnetic observation system reuse and interaction. And then ISO IEC 18025 2014 about information technology, environmental data coding specification. And then IEC 6041 about field acceptance test to determine the hydraulic performance of hydraulic turbines, storage pumps and pump turbines. And IEC 62256 also about hydraulic turbines, storage pumps and pump turbines, reliability and performance improvement. And IEC 62097 about hydraulic machine radial and axial performance conversion method from model to prototype. This standard that we get that relate with our topic, there is ocean wave. Okay, this is from reference that we get the information. And thank you. That's all for us.